It says, our crews will be replacing failed street panels on your street. Your driveway will be blocked September 7th. Construction hours are as follows: Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Our employees make all efforts to contact you prior to blocking your driveway in an effort to minimize inconvenience. If you have small children, please make sure that they are aware of fresh concrete, big trucks, and heavy equipment. Thank you for your cooperation, and we will restore your access to your driveway as soon as possible. Oh boy! So the man put out cones today, and I asked him, and he said everything from this side over is going to be torn up starting tomorrow morning, early. Where is everyone going to park around here? I don't know. I parked 2 blocks away at my mom's. 7:30 and it's begun, and this whole house is vibrating. I just went to the bathroom and the walls and the toilet, everything was just shaking. I'll show you. Goodbye, breaker upper machine. The next thing that will be coming in is the bulldozer backhoe, and they're going to scoop up all of this and put it in the back of a dump truck. That's a good 8 to 10 inch drop off there. It's already the end of day 1 here. Mr. Ben, why did you park there? He lives in that house. That's not a good thing, is it? Oh, brother. And so ends day 1 of the street being redone here. We'll see what happens tomorrow.